We're getting ready to make chicken and mushrooms. Oh my goodness. Look at this golden brown deliciousness. It is so easy, yet so delicious. Look at this creamy, rich, thick, luscious mushroom sauce. Oh my goodness, guys, you're just going to absolutely love it.
Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking at Pam's Place. Today we are going to be making chicken and mushrooms. Guys, this is 3 ingredients and just 1 skillet. So simple, yet so delicious. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. So let's just get right into it. First thing we have, guys, are our 2 main ingredients, the star. Chicken, we have chicken breast. This is bone in, skin on. You can use boneless, but you will need the skin on. And we have our mushrooms here. Now there's one more ingredient, but we'll get to that a little bit later. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a skillet that can also go into the oven. You want to get it nice and hot before you add your oil. So while we're only using 2 ingredients, salt and pepper is not really considered an ingredient because it goes in just about everything. So we want to sprinkle generously some kosher salt on our chicken and a little bit of black pepper. Now you can use cracked black pepper as well. You can also use white pepper. Flip it over and let's do the other side. Now we're going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Put your chicken in, skin side down.
Now we're just going to leave our chicken here to sear for about 5 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Now we're going to go ahead and turn our chicken over. Look at that golden brown deliciousness, just the way we want it. We're going to cook it on this side for another 5 minutes, but we're going to go ahead and add our mushrooms in. Just put them in any of the empty spaces around the chicken, not on it, but surrounding the chicken. And we're going to let this cook. Turn your skillet up to high heat. And we're going to continue to let this cook. Don't worry about it being on high heat because mushrooms contain a lot of water, so there's no risk in burning them. Okay.
We're going to add a little kosher salt just to our mushrooms.
Okay, guys, it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to go into a 400-degree preheated oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until our chicken is done or the juices run clear.
So we want to remove our chicken from the pan and loosely tint it with some foil while we finish everything up. Don't put it on there too tight. You don't want to steam it. So just like that, we'll set this aside. Okay, now we're going to bring it back up to medium-high heat. We're going to add a half a cup of water in. Let this cook on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes and reduce half inside. Then we'll add our last ingredients. Add our last ingredient in, guys. So we just want to let this simmer.
Okay, guys, we have reduced to about half. And as you can see, our broth has thickened up some. And yes, I did add water, but in the cooking world, water is not an ingredient, just like salt and pepper. Now our last ingredient, we're going in with about a tablespoon of delicious butter. And we're just going to turn our heat off at this point. Let our butter melt. And when it's all melted and well combined, we will be done. And as you can see, guys, we are left with a nice, rich, and creamy broth for our chicken. 3 ingredients, 1 skillet. Let's go ahead and plate this up.
Okay, so let's put our chicken in here. You can take any of the remaining juices you have from when your chicken was resting, add it to your mushrooms. Then we just want to spoon our mushroom sauce over our chicken. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Doesn't this look amazing? Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And I will see you next time, the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.